Insert intro sound effect here. I've decided I'm going to be doing this video, using my voice because there's no chat in this game. I'm just going to be showing you guys how to collect every cheese in Rat Stapler. Because, yeah. Day one, you gotta go to the corner with the tower and the shed. Cheese on the floor. You get a badge if you do a day without picking up a box of bullets. Yeah, first day you just have to shoot 5 scoundrels. See this guy, he took my wife's skin. Not actually, because my wife is a mannequin. Play Squirrel Stapler. Oh, you can shoot through trees as well. I don't know why you can shoot through trees, but you just can. Also their tail falls off when they die. I don't know why they do that. Um. There's varmin on my lawn. Oh, the rats, the rats, they all glow, so you can more easily find them. You also get a badge if you, use the, aim and then shoot a rat from 150 studs away. Cause, you know, it's fun. After you get every single rat, you must, you gotta skedaddle back to the house. On day 1, there's no threats, but on day 2 and day 3, it introduces some rats that, they wanna murder you. 'Cause rat. God is coming in 5 days. Nuh-uh. Remember to staple the rats to your supposed wife. Yeah, they're on there pretty good. For real, for real. On day 2, I think it might be random how many rats you find in the poison grass. I'm pretty sure they wish they could read. Day 2's cheese. You gotta go past this little shack thingamajigger right here. I don't know why this exists. But you go to this little crumbled wall, and then, there's the cheddar. Don't shoot the cheese. If you shoot the cheese does nothing. Because the cheese is cheese. Oh, yeah, that's one of the things that you gotta worry about now. Ghost rat. You can tell when the ghost rats are coming for you, because it plays, like, the doors. I'm pretty sure it's a sound effect from Doors. But you can just tell because it sounds like a ghost is coming after you. I missed. I'm really good at missing rats. Especially when they run away. After hearing you from 3 miles. Huh? I could have sworn I saw a rat, like, right there. Gosh darn it. See, there's another one of the ghost rats. If you don't shoot them, they nibble at your ankle, and they take a chunk of your health. This place, on day 3, the cheese is in this corner, which I'm surprised that I didn't find, because I go to that house frequently. Oh yeah. There's the fat rat. He's pretty chunky. I'm pretty sure you get extra points if you shoot the ghost rats. It doesn't matter how far away or how many trees are in the way of the rat, as long as you aim and it says, rat. It will let you shoot rat. Also, these, don't worry about the letters, they don't matter. Honey, I'm home with the rat. I am sleeping. On day 3, it says that you, heard something scratching. Right here is bear footprints. You have to do this, because one time I didn't trigger the these are not normal rat tracks, and, yeah, the game had a mental breakdown, because I died. If you die but don't inspect the bear tracks, it just stops working. It, like, puts you on day 3 on repeat. Rat limbo. Oh, speaking of the bear tracks, when you hear screaming, yeah, screaming of all things, that means a giant bear rat is coming to kill you. If you shoot the bear rat 3 times before it gets to you, it explodes. 'Cause, you know, kablamo. But yeah, day 3 cheese, in the corner. Don't know why. He's probably just, a bit upset with life, so he's hiding in the corner. Another ghost rat is coming after me. Yeah, you shoot the ghost rats and bear rats for more points. When you press the call button, it just makes the fat rat call back to you. I guess you can try to find it based off of how loud the rat is, but, I don't use it very often. Oh yeah. You'll be able to tell when a bear rat is coming after you because, you'll be able to tell. Oh, see, there it is. There's the bear rat. Yeah, it takes a huge chunk of your health if they don't put 3 bullets in its head. I don't know if I'm gonna get in trouble for doing this video, because, I'm saying words like, bullet in head. I don't care, though, because, YouTube... I swear to God. Well, I don't care if I get in trouble for saying things against YouTube's policy, because I can just re-record this video. You don't need the aim turned on, by the way. This video is already 11 minutes. Like and subscribe if you've been enjoying 12 minutes of me shooting rats. Day 4's cheese is you go back here. Nothing happens if you find the bear tracks again, by the way. But you go back here, ignore the satanic symbol, and collect the cheese. I know where day 5's cheese is, but I think I might have been, sleep deprived. So I might have imagined finding the day 5 cheese. But if I remember correctly, the day 5 cheese spawns right. Did a rat just... Yes, it did. There's a ghost rat coming after me. Oh. On day 3 and onward, you always want to make sure to pick up health packs. Not health pack, bandages. Ugh. Yeah, just make sure to pick up bandage. I didn't... This is my neighbor, Bob. I didn't know he was a rat. I'm gonna have to, He deserved it. Because he, like, took my cheese at 3 a.m. Oh, not Bob. Barry. Oh boy, another... I think they do that just to mock me, not realizing I have a gun for shooting rats in the heads. Oh yeah. Also, I might... Oh, good gravy. I might do Dinosaur Simulator videos. Yeah, just, like, comment if you want to see that, because, I'm trying to get the event skins, but we all know that they're a bit overpriced for a normal human. Oh yeah. I just need to find the fat rat. I don't know where the fat rat is. Normally I find the fat rat before the rest of the normal rats. Oh, there's a bear. See, oh, and then there's the fat rat. Yeah, if you don't shoot the bear rat 3 times, say goodbye to your legs. They just kind of bite your legs off, that's why it hurts so much, but you can still walk, because this is Roblox. And, you're gonna bite your legs off for fun. Don't ask where the big rats go, Because, I don't know. These are just normal rats. Man, I'm tired. This is the final day. So, I like it when he said it's ratting time, then he ratted everywhere over everyone. Yeah. God is coming today. God isn't happy. Here's day 5 cheese, where I thought it was. It's pretty sharp. I'm pretty sure only 3 bear rats can attack you per day. So, like, just remember to grab bandage so you don't die. Because if you die on day 3 without inspecting the bear tracks, oh god. Yeah, see, it bit my arm off. Ignore the fact I've missed these rats like 5 times. Oh yeah! That did not get that rat, and I'm out of ammo. Well, don't worry about the little sound meter, because the rats might run away, but nothing can outsmart Bullet. Heavy TF2 quote reference, maybe? I don't know. I promise, I can shoot rats. I think, I don't know, I think I can shoot them. What? I'm being serious, I don't know why that one missed. Oh, great. Oh, great. I thought I grabbed the bandage. Yeah, if you die, this is what you get met with. It just takes away points if you die. Oh. Looks like I'm not coming back from that. I'm not playing this all, actually. Okay, yeah, if you die, and that happens, yeah. After you die, I'm pretty sure you gotta recollect the cheese. The rats magically appear. They didn't do that first time I played, but this is not the first time I've played. That's why I know where the cheeses are. Yeah, no, this video is going to just be 20 minutes of me rambling and hunting rats. I'm the best YouTuber there is, apparently. I think, I don't know, what would you... Oh, God! I have an image saved that's just like a squirrel, and the squirrel, let me tell ya, he's in a lot of trouble, 'cause why, sometimes the ghost rats spawn on top of you, 'cause they hate you that much. Yeah. Also, you can't climb that. I don't know why you would think you'd be able to, but you can't. I promise I'm good at this game. Don't worry about any of the resources around the map running out. You can pick up 100 ammo boxes and the ammo box will never despawn. Huh. I could have sworn I just saw something move, but that's probably just cause, my sleep schedule's ruined. Oh, hey, fat rat. Yeah. I don't have the cheesy badge on the main menu, cause, I didn't know where the day 3 cheese was. Then I found the day 3 cheese. On day 5, after you collect all the rats, you get told that God is coming. You just have to wait. 'Cause, it doesn't want you to go back inside your house. I must prepare to meet God. You can't shoot God, unfortunately. Which would be a pretty impressive trophy to have on your wall, just a giant rat head. TV remote. This is like an analog TV. I don't know why there's a TV remote if this is an analog TV. Huh. Oh boy, my favorite brand. Yeah, I love watching TV on my TV. I don't know if you can hear that, but God is now here. What have you done? What have you done? What have you done? Oh, hey, there's still a rat. You won't. God won't kill me. I'm standing in front of a rat. Trust me, I'm not gonna get murdered by God. I'm standing in front of one of his kids. I think God is here. I've not seen it yet. See, there's the cheesy badge. Not only 400 people have it. Since I didn't have the cheesy badge before this, I guess we will find out the cheesy badge reward together. Shots landed 34. Cheese 5. Time? Yeah. Deaths 1. So at the end, you just get a score. You get a lot of extra score if you find all the cheese. Good gravy. 300. Oh yeah. Thanks for playing. After you beat it, you do have to rejoin if you want to find out what the cheesy is. Oh boy, question mark, question mark, question mark. Huh. Um. I don't know what you're supposed to do here. I'm just gonna run through this maze. Something's in here with me. That's confirmed. I can hear it. Oh Lord. I think he's not happy with me, guys. Oh, I'm in a corner. We're gonna ignore that. We're gonna pretend like that didn't happen. It's time to hunt the rats. You did it! Well done! I think that was all there is. Yeah, virtual reality. I'm not gonna get this one. I wonder why. Okay, I've gotten anything. I've forgotten every badge aside from this one. I hope you enjoyed watching video. Yeah, these guys have other games, but I hope you enjoyed watching me shoot rats for 27 minutes. Subscribe, I guess.